What is up? What's going on? I hope everybody's having a great day. Want to give you guys a story about Avalanche, guys, and the Avalanche Foundation has put out some real bullish news, man, and is really starting to set Avalanche up as one of these blockchains that are a must own almost for any investor, guys. So what is the big bullish news? What's going on at Avalanche, and why is this news so big? So we got here so the Avalanche Foundation to invest in meme coin collection, right? So obviously the Avalanche Foundation is part of the Avalanche blockchain. It's a foundation that's set up to make sure that the Avalanche blockchain is running smooth and has everything that it needs, right? To make sure that it goes and runs and gives it money to upgrade itself and so on and so forth. But now they're going to start investing in the meme coins that are on the Avalanche blockchain, guys. So why is this big news, right? Well, it does a couple different things for Avalanche. It brings new people over to launch meme coins on Avalanche, knowing that there's a possibility that this Avalanche Foundation can buy up a portion of that supply, hold the floor, and help that project grow. So that is huge bullish news right there. And it also does another thing is it allows the Avalanche blockchain to create even more transactions on their network, because obviously the Avalanche Foundation is going to be buying them right off of the actual live pair, which gives it volume and gives it trading volume, right? So when you look at these things and how all these things come together, it really gives these guys an incentive to buy meme coins on the Avalanche blockchain from the Avalanche Foundation, and gives the developers an incentive to come on over here and buy some of their, build some of their meme coins over here, right? And that's what you want as a blockchain. You want that volume, and the bigger volume you can get, the better off you are. And for a token, the more you can hold the floor, the better off you are as well. It brings investor confidence. So when you look at these, right here in the headlines, it says, Husky and Cock are going to be part of these investments, right? So we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at one of these here as we move along and figure out how this news has really affected that token in a positive direction. But let's go ahead and take a look at what Avalanche is doing from a blockchain perspective, from price action, since this news has come out. So we're over here on CoinMarketCap going to check out Avalanche, little price action on Avalanche, see how they're doing. They're up to $40.28 as recording of this video. They are on a little bit of a slide, but you can't look at one day and call it a slide, right? So let's go ahead and we're going to look at the month long chart. We always like to zoom things out, give us a really good perspective of what's going on, right? So on December 3rd, which actually was my birthday, guys, Avalanche was sitting at $21, right? $21.53. It had this tremendous run all the way up here to around $47, right? And then we had a little bit of a pullback from that 47 to that $43 range, which is natural. People taking profits, things like that. But a lot of this run up was due to a lot of the some meme coins launching on the Avalanche blockchain and giving them some volume, right? Volume is king for these blockchains. People had to buy Avalanche in order to swap some of these meme tokens, and that's what we've seen driving the price up, right? Obviously, there was a little bit of a sell off, people taking profit, and then you have a market sell off, which is going on today. But all of that brings us even to a higher price than it was, 1 month ago, right? Double the price from what it was 1 month ago, given all of that, right? So definitely Avalanche is on the move. It's a strong token. It is leapfrogging everybody on CoinMarketCap, right? Not everybody, but a lot of people. It has leapfrogged up this CoinMarketCap chart. And when you look at it right now, it's sitting at the number 9 token on the board, which is a big accomplishment for Avalanche. You know that any blockchain sitting that high, it's a big accomplishment. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of these meme tokens and see how this news has affected one of them. So we're over here on Dex Tools. We're gonna take a look at Husky, right? Which is a meme token on the Avalanche blockchain, who was named in that article. Now go back; it was Husky and Cock were both named in that press release. So this is the hourly chart, right? So right about up in here is where that news started to break, right? So as that news started to break, look at the price action in Husky, right? Look at that price action. Look at that beautiful chart, that beautiful line going straight up, right? Based on this news, now that investors have confidence that the Avalanche Foundation is going to start buying some of the supply. And this may be some of the Avalanche Foundation buying up some of the supply, right? But so they're looking now, Husky's looking for a new floor here, right? They're looking for this new floor that's going to come in based on this run right here in the foundation, and they're looking to set this new floor, this new higher floor, sitting at right now 709098, right? So it looks like it's about to bust through a zero. If you go back to one of my morning streams, we looked at this. It wasn't in the nines, guys. So definitely looking to bust the zero here based on this news. So definitely positive price action. You have some people taking profits over the last 3 hours. Natural when you have a run coming up this high that people are going to take some profits. You had some profit taking here, and then obviously an instant run back up, and you're gonna have some profit taken here. And I would expect some sideways trading action at some point here, but definitely this news has affected these meme tokens in a positive way with great price action moving up. So let's see if we can bring this up. Make sure we have the right pair. It's wrapped. AVAX close enough. Um, but when we come over here to cock, you can see that it had a positive move to the upside based on that news with a little bit of sell off. Definitely had a positive move to the upside based on that news as well. We're looking at the same chart. So right here was when that news started to break. You've seen that run up. You've seen that run up. You've seen some profit taking, some profit taking. Expect another run up off of that news. Um, definitely, cock is a smaller token, less volume, so it's going to be it's good. The run up's not going to be as dramatic, but definitely had a positive run up based on that news. So with Avalanche, guys, this thing is going to be absolutely massive. This is going to be one of them blockchains that's really going to be a contender during the next bull run. It's really going to be one of these blockchains that these meme tokens are going to start launching on. It's a whole lot cheaper to do business over there on Avalanche than it is Ethereum. A little bit more expensive than say Solana, but definitely way cheaper than Ethereum. But when you're making moves like this with the Avalanche Foundation, it's going to incentivize people to come on over there. So if you guys like what you guys hear here, go ahead and give me a like and give me a share. And if you guys want more of this content, go ahead and give me a sub, give me a comment, drop a comment. This is the type of news that we bring you guys all the time. So if you like it, go ahead and give me a sub. Drop me a comment too. Tell me whether or not you want more Avalanche content or not. With that, man, everybody have a great day. Appreciate every single one of you guys. And we will get back at you guys later.